This is TradingView's #1 supply and demand indicator strategy. Win big now. Imagine hitting perfect entries and exits week after week without ever manually hunting for supply and demand zones again. Most traders spend hundreds of hours glued to their screen, still missing the critical price action that the smart money lives on. What if there was an unfair advantage, a TradingView indicator that automatically pinpoints these zones with accuracy? I'm talking about the Flock Charts MTF indicator. It's not just an indicator. It's the closest thing to having a seasoned pro find every high probability setup for you, then send an alert straight to your phone. If you're ready to drastically cut your chart time and finally nail those win-back trades, this is trading a strategy you've been waiting for. Alright, first things first, you gotta get over to the TradingView. That's where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, just pull up any chart you want, and I mean any chart. This TradingView indicator works everywhere. Whether you're obsessed with Bitcoin on 15 minutes, scalping Forex on the 1 minute, or even messing with the commodities or options, this indicator just works. Now for the really cool part, see the indicators button up top, click it. A search bar pops up right up. You're just gonna type in Flock Charts MTF supply and demand zones. This next step is going to completely change your whole trading strategy. So, once you've got the indicator loaded, those supply and demand zones just pop up right on your chart. But here's where you customize it for your exact trading strategy. Depending on your trading pair or time frame, you'll want to tweak a few things to make it perfect. For example, when I'm on the 15-minute Bitcoin chart, I set the detection method to momentum, sensitivity to medium, zone invalidation to close, zone visibility range to 2, minimum zone width to 1, minimum zone length to 7. These are my go-to settings for filtering out noise and getting the cleanest supply and demand signals. This makes it the best supply and demand indicator for precision. Now this is crucial. There are two main ways to trade these supply and demand zones. You've got the retest method, perfect for catching reversals where price hits the zone and bounce. Or if you're trend following beast, you'll love the break method. That's when the price breaks through a zone, confirming momentum in the direction. Personally, I often disable the retest and enable the breaks for my aggressive trend plays with this TradingView indicator. And seriously, no matter flipping between time frames, this best supply and demand indicator lets you see multiple time frame zones all on one chart. Imagine seeing a daily demand zone while you're still on your 5-minute chart. Huge game changer for confluence. And to top it off, you can set up custom alerts for any signal from this powerful indicator. Price hits zones, alert. Zone breaks, alert. You never miss a setup again with this powerful trading indicator. But look, to trade like a pro, you always need confirmation, especially when you're relying on indicators. My secret weapon for this TradingView indicator strategy is the CMACD indicator. So head back to the indicators button on TradingView, and this time search for CMACD custom indicator and add it to your chart. This combo creates one of the best indicator TradingView setups. The whole point of using CMACD is to get a read on higher time frame momentum. We want to make sure we're trading with the market's main flow. So, some adjustments are definitely needed for this TradingView best indicators pairing. Jump into the CM settings window. Since we're on the 15-minute chart, I like to set indicators time frame to 2 hours. This gives us a solid, broader momentum picture. Then pump up the fast length to 100 and the slow length to 200. You can leave the MA types at EMA. And finally, turn off the circle option. You don't need that clutter. In the style tab, switch the histogram to area. Also, make sure to disable both the signal and MACD options. We're only focused on that clean area for momentum confirmation. This makes our trading strategy super clean. So here's how it comes through with this powerful supply and demand indicator. When the flux charts indicator shows a demand zone, look in this Bitcoin 15-minute chart example right here on the screen. We wait for breakout signal. Then, for critical confirmation, we need bearish momentum. Look at the CM/MACD. A red area below the midline confirms the bearish momentum. Then, set your stop loss just below the recent swing low. And target at least 1.5 hour for your take profit. But what if there's a bullish breakout but the CM/MACD isn't showing bullish momentum? Simple, skip it. We never trade against the market's underlying trend. This ensures our trading strategy stays disciplined. Check out this trading example here. We wait for bullish breakout signal. Then, for critical confirmation, we need bullish momentum from the CM/MACD. That means a green area above the midline. That's your confirmed buy signal, making this a robust TradingView strategy. Then, set your stop loss just below the recent swing low. And target at least 1.5 hour for your take profit. And what about other pairs or time frames with this TradingView indicator setup? Take this gold chart on 1 hour time frame. For the CM/MACD here, I suggest changing the time frame to 4 hour or even daily. That's how we get the best, most accurate idea of the overall market momentum. See here, flux charts nailed the supply zone, the CM/MACD is green, confirming bullish momentum, and boom, another money-making profitable trade. Any signal against the main market momentum, we simply reject it. This full TradingView strategy works. And to get the flux charts MTF supply and demand zones indicator, click the link in the description or pinned comment below. It's quick to install and you'll have it on your chart in minutes. Start using it to spot high probability zones and improve your trading decisions. And that's the TradingView's #1 supply and demand indicator strategy. Win big now.